SK Telecom, LG AI Research, and the expansion of enterprise avatars. The development and deployment of enterprise avatars in South Korea are accelerating rapidly, particularly through the strategic efforts of SK Telecom and LG AI Research. These companies are leveraging virtual humans, also referred to as enterprise avatars or digital employees, in customer service, telecom retail, and smart assistant systems. The rise of such avatars is underpinned by advanced technological infrastructure, economic imperatives for automation and efficiency, and a culture that is notably receptive to AI integration. South Korea's high internet penetration, expansive 5G network, and AI-forward public policy landscape provide fertile ground for these innovations, while consumer familiarity with virtual influencers and synthetic characters further supports broad adoption. SK Telecom has played a pioneering role in the commercialization of virtual humans. In 2022, it introduced SUA, a digital model created in partnership with OnMind Incorporated to promote its AI assistant platform, pronounced a dot. SUA's digital face was graphically blended with that of a real actress and brought to life using SK Telecom's in-house AI-based text-to-speech, TTS, technology. The assistant platform, has since evolved into a sophisticated multimodal service integrated with large language models, LLMs, capable of managing users' schedules, providing recommendations, and supporting complex conversations through integrations with models like ChatGPT and Claude. In addition, SK Telecom's AI customer service support system, based on its proprietary telco LLM and large multimodal model, LMM, has introduced real-time document processing, knowledge search, and consultation summarization, with full deployment scheduled across its operations by 2025. LG AI Research complements this with a robust focus on foundational AI model development. Its XR1 series of LLMs, including the instruction-tuned XR1 3.5, is engineered for enterprise-level applications requiring instruction following and long context comprehension. These models support multimodal interaction, particularly when integrated with LG's concept of affectionate intelligence, which emphasizes emotionally responsive and personalized AI. LG's virtual assistant Furon, part of its AI home ecosystem, can control IoT-enabled devices via conversational input, learning, and adapting to user preferences over time. The company has further extended its research into healthcare, partnering with the Jackson Laboratory to apply XR1 to biomedical data, and has formed a consumer-focused alliance with Microsoft to integrate the Copilot assistant into LG's smart devices. From a technical standpoint, both SK Telecom and LG AI Research utilize a layered stack of AI components to bring avatars to life. SK Telecom's virtual humans rely on proprietary TTS engines, video synthesis, as seen in its collaboration with Deep Brain AI, and advanced rendering techniques that blend real-world footage with CGI avatars. Its telco LLMs are fine-tuned specifically for telecommunications contexts. LG, on the other hand, combines speech recognition with vision-based spatial sensing to build its emotionally intelligent agents. XR1 models provide the backbone for language tasks, while LG's multimodal systems support full-body avatar emulation and conversational responsiveness. In telecom retail, SK Telecom's use of avatars spans digital signage, interactive kiosks, and unmanned stores. Roughly 1,400 stores have been outfitted with Samsung-powered smart displays and centralized content systems. The company's T-Factory 24 concept allows customers to interact with AI avatars for product comparison, plan consultation, device purchases, and trade-ins, all without human staff. AI kiosks offer live assistance in answering FAQs, providing product recommendations, and managing account issues. Though ROI data has not been formally disclosed, similar AI implementations globally have demonstrated increased customer engagement and average order value, aligning with broader expectations for performance and efficiency gains. When compared to traditional call centers and chatbot systems, avatar-based services offer several key advantages. They increase efficiency by handling multiple interactions simultaneously, reduce costs through automation of routine tasks, and enhance customer satisfaction through naturalistic, personalized experiences. For example, SK Telecom's avatar solutions automate document intake and consultation summaries, freeing up human agents for complex queries. LG's use of ChatXR1 internally has reduced operational costs by 72% compared to legacy systems. These shifts underscore the enterprise value of avatars in streamlining customer service and improving responsiveness. SK Telecom's Smart Assistant A also marks a significant leap forward from conventional digital assistants like Siri or Bixby. By integrating customizable virtual characters, multimodal conversation abilities, and personalized routines, A transforms the assistant from a transactional utility into a relational companion. It connects seamlessly with smart home ecosystems and supports multiple AI agents, giving users flexibility and personalization that text-only assistants do not match. Strategically, both SK Telecom and LG AI Research are deploying avatars to achieve long-term business objectives. For SK Telecom, these include digital transformation, AI monetization by 2028, operational streamlining, and international expansion of AI services. LG AI Research aligns its avatars with goals of becoming a smart life solution company, reducing service costs, and positioning itself as a global leader in emotionally intelligent AI systems. Both firms see avatars not only as tools for internal efficiency but also as the face of their AI brands to consumers. South Korea's regulatory and ethical frameworks are evolving to keep pace with the widespread use of virtual humans. Laws now target deepfake misuse with severe penalties, and policies mandate watermarking and labeling of synthetic content. Ethical guidelines released by the Ministry of Science and ICT emphasize autonomy, authenticity, and privacy. Legal precedent has also recognized the defamation of digital avatars as a personal rights violation, indicating a shift toward greater recognition of digital identity. At the same time, labor-related concerns over automation and displacement persist, prompting calls for careful policy balancing. Compared with other Korean firms like Naver, KT, and Kakao, SK Telecom and LG AI Research stand out for their enterprise-scale integration and proprietary AI development. While Naver emphasizes language processing via its Clover assistant, and KT has developed kiosk-based avatars in partnership with Deep Brain AI, SK Telecom leads in full-service retail deployment and telecom-specific LLMs. LG AI Research, in contrast, focuses on emotion-driven interfaces and high-performance LLMs for diversified domains. Globally, their efforts parallel or exceed initiatives by Huawei, SoftBank, and Meta, but with a stronger emphasis on personalization and industry-specific optimization. Looking ahead, the enterprise avatar market in South Korea is expected to expand significantly. The country's enterprise ICT revenue is forecast to grow at 6.7% CAGR through 2026, while the telecom sector is projected to reach $40.82 billion by 2030. Adoption will be propelled by 5G, AI advancements, and state-led digital transformation programs. However, obstacles remain, including regulatory uncertainties, SME adoption barriers, and societal concerns over AI ethics and data privacy. In conclusion, SK Telecom and LG AI Research exemplify the vanguard of South Korea's enterprise avatar landscape. Their integration of virtual humans across customer service, retail, and smart systems demonstrates a commitment not only to technological innovation but also to reshaping human-computer interaction in the enterprise space. By advancing both the technical sophistication and social utility of avatars, these companies are setting new standards for how AI can be embodied, operationalized, and trusted in everyday business.